Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll discuss the difference between internal links and external links and why they are important for SEO. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about internal links. These are links that connect one page of your website to another page on the same website. Internal links help users navigate your site easily. They are like a map guiding visitors to different parts of your website. Let's see some examples. Here all these links are going to another page on this website. These links are also called navigational links because they help you navigate to other sections of a website. And then we have another type of internal links that's called footer links. So these are the links in the footer and these are also going to other pages of this website. These are also internal links and are called footer links. Internal links can also be in a blog post within the blog content. Let's open a blog. Let's scroll down. You can see these links. If I open any of these links, then it will take me to another page on this website. Let's click this one. We are on the same website but a different page. And if you scroll down, you can see other links as well. So this is also an internal link to another page. You can see here as well. This type of internal links are called contextual internal links, and these are the most important for SEO. Now let's talk about why Google loves internal links. First, they help search engines understand the structure of your site. It's like giving Google a roadmap so it can crawl important pages of your website. Secondly, they pass authority between pages. They distribute link juice throughout the site, which can enhance the ranking potential of key pages. A page with more internal links has more chances of ranking higher in the search results. Lastly, they help reduce the bounce rate. Google likes it when people visit multiple pages of a website, and this can also improve SEO. Internal links guide visitors to relevant content, keeping them engaged longer and ultimately increasing dwell time on your site. Now let's move to external links. These are links that take you from your website to another website. For example, if you're writing a blog post and link to a case study on a research website, that's an external link. Let's take a look at some examples on the same website. If I scroll down to the footer, you can see these links. These are going to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. These are also external links. And if I go to another blog post and scroll down, you can see these links. These are going to Amazon. So these are also external links. Let's open one. One more example. This is an article on search engine land. And if I scroll down, you can see this link. If I open it, right now we are on searchengineland.com, and if I open it, it will take me to this website. So this is also an external link. Now let's discuss the benefits of external links for SEO. External links can also help improve SEO. First, they build credibility. When you link to trusted sources, it shows Google that your content is well researched and reliable. It's like saying, hey, I've done my homework and here's the proof. Secondly, linking to other sites can encourage them to link back to you. And lastly, external links can help you build relationships with other websites and businesses. To sum it up, internal links keep people exploring your site and help Google understand your content better. And external links show you've got credible sources and can open doors for backlinks. Both are essential, and when used in the right way, they can really boost your SEO. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. See you in the next video.